Hello to all first-time home buyer. Today I'm going to share with you the 9 most important things that you should know as a first-time home buyer. Please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned to learn more about property. If you want to purchase your very first home, please learn this. Let's go! Number 1. Are you mentally ready to buy a house? A house is a long-term commitment. It's a decision making between you and your family members. Alright? And are you currently renting with other people? If yes, maybe buying a house is a good option. Maybe you are looking for investment, who knows? So, you must be mentally ready before you buying a house. Number 2. Get to know what is property. Ready yourself with some property knowledge. You can either read books, study online, study from Facebook for example. At least you can equip yourself with all this property knowledge. Attend seminars also is a good choice. You can learn from property guru. They will teach you how to invest and what should avoid from this property investment. And of course you have friends that already bought some property, right? Try to have some conversation with them. They will share with you the current market, how it works, and which area property you can buy. So, learn property knowledge is very important before you tap into this property market. Number 3. Do you ready your savings or cash in hand to purchase a property? This is very important. If you buy a house, you have to put in at least a 10% of down payment, right? And you have to pay some legal fees, sales purchase agreement, memorandum of transfer, memorandum of charge. Besides, you have to register your water and electricity. You must have this cash to pay for the deposit. If the house need to be some ready for repair or renovation, it may cost a lot. For those private sector friends, you can withdraw your EPF account too for this down payment. Number 4. You should shop for mortgage home loan. For private sector home buyers, there are many banks offer you this home loan. You can check out the interest rates and the loan tenure, maximum years. Is it 30 years or 35 years? While for federal government servant, you have extra benefit. You can use LPPSA, which means Lembaga Pembiayaan Perumahan Sektor Awam, to get your home loan. Find out in the description below. I will share with you the bank loans comparison sites and also the entitlement calculator for LPPSA. Number 5. It's all about leverage ability. You try to calculate how much you could afford to pay for a home loan repayment. Please take note that your income 100%, you only can use 66% of it to pay all your loans, including credit cards, car loans, your personal loan, and if you add in a home loan, make sure it would not exceed that 66%, because you have to reserve a 1/3 of your income for your own daily expenses. Number 6. Finding the right property that's suitable for you and your family. For example, what kind of property type that's suitable for you? Is it an apartment? Is it a condo? Is it a terrace house? It's up to you. And the second thing you have to think about is location. Is the house near to your workplace? Is there any amenities like health institution or education institution nearby? For me, I will look for good neighborhood property area, because if I am aware, they will help me to take care of my house. Number 7. Good news for the first time home buyer. Started 1st of January this year, if you purchase a property that 300,000 or below, you will get exempted to pay the stamp duty. And it goes as well as for your loan agreements. So you should start finding your new house now. Number 8. Do you have any property agent friends in your friend circle? Try to make some new friends, especially property agents. I recommend to you because you can learn more about our current property market, and most importantly, you may have some chance to get cheaper house from them. I will leave my contact at the description below, and you can directly PM me for more questions. Number 9. Buying a house is a huge commitment. You may take 30 years or 35 years to serve your loan, so you should be protecting this investment. Go and purchase this mortgage reducing term insurance or mortgage level term insurance. When you are no longer around to finish paying it due to some unforeseen circumstances, mortgage life insurance is a must to protect your family. So, these are the 9 most important things that you should know as a first-time buyer. Buying a house should be a very happy event, not only for you but for your family too. So, if you still have any other questions, you can leave your comments below in this video channel. To learn more from me, please remember to subscribe. Click the link below and I hope to hear from you soon.